Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're celebrating the amazing dads in our lives with a special selection of desserts. Get ready to discover 10 delicious and creative pastry dessert ideas perfect for treating your dad on any occasion. From classic favorites to unique twists, these recipes are sure to impress your dad and satisfy his sweet tooth. Let's get baking! Let's kick things off with a true classic apple pie. This timeless dessert never fails to please, and it's the perfect way to show Dad you care. For this recipe, we're using fresh, juicy apples like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp for the perfect balance of sweet and tart. And of course, no apple pie is complete without a flaky, buttery crust. We'll show you how to make it from scratch, but you can definitely use store-bought if you're short on time. We're adding a touch of cinnamon and nutmeg to the filling for that warm, comforting flavour that everyone loves. As the pie bakes, your kitchen will be filled with the most amazing aroma. Serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the ultimate indulgence. It's the perfect ending to any meal and a guaranteed way to make Dad feel loved. If your dad is a chocolate lover, then these chocolate eclairs are the perfect treat. These decadent pastries are filled with a rich and creamy chocolate custard that will melt in your mouth. Don't be intimidated by the idea of making eclairs. We'll walk you through each step. We'll start by making a pâte à choux, which is a light and airy pastry dough that puffs up beautifully in the oven. Then, we'll pipe the dough into long oval shapes and bake them until they're golden brown. Once the eclairs are cool, we'll fill them with the custard and then top them with a glossy chocolate glaze. These chocolate eclairs are sure to impress Dad with their sophisticated look and irresistible flavour. For the dads who prefer a little bit of tang with their sweetness, this lemon meringue tart is a must-try. It's a refreshing and vibrant dessert that combines the sweetness of meringue with the tartness of lemon curd, all nestled in a buttery, crumbly crust. The crust is the foundation of any good tart, and this one is made with a simple mixture of flour, butter, sugar, and a pinch of salt. While the crust is baking, we'll prepare the lemon curd filling with fresh lemon juice and zest, sugar, eggs, and butter. The lemon curd will be poured into the cooled crust and then topped with a generous layer of fluffy meringue. Finally, we'll use a kitchen torch to lightly brown the meringue, giving it a beautiful golden hue. Sometimes the simplest desserts are the most satisfying, and these Nutella Croissants are a perfect example. They're quick and easy to make, but they taste absolutely heavenly. All you need are some store-bought croissants, Nutella, and a few minutes of your time. We'll start by gently warming the croissants in the oven to make them extra soft and flaky. Then, we'll slice them in half and spread a generous layer of Nutella on each half. For an extra touch of decadence, you can add some sliced bananas or strawberries to the croissants along with the Nutella. These Nutella croissants are perfect for a special breakfast in bed for Dad, or as a sweet treat after dinner. Let's add a touch of elegance to our dessert spread with this beautiful raspberry Danish. The heart of this Danish is the sweet and tangy raspberry filling. We'll be using fresh raspberries for the most vibrant flavour. The pastry is a simple yeast dough shaped into a beautiful swirl. Once baked, we'll top it with a simple icing made from powdered sugar and milk. Perfect for a special brunch or an afternoon treat with coffee. Get ready for a flavour combination that's truly irresistible. Banoffee Pie. This British dessert is a symphony of textures and tastes, featuring a buttery biscuit base, a layer of creamy dulce de leche, fresh bananas, and a mountain of whipped cream. It's a dessert that's both indulgent and surprisingly easy to make. We'll start by creating the biscuit base, which is made with crushed digestive biscuits and melted butter. This mixture is pressed into a pie dish and chilled until firm. Next up is the star of the show, dulce de leche. We'll show you how to transform a can of condensed milk into this magical ingredient. Once the biscuit base is chilled, we'll spread the dulce de leche evenly over the top, followed by a layer of sliced bananas. Finally, a generous layer of freshly whipped cream. For the dads who love the classic flavours of pecan pie, but prefer a more convenient and portable treat, these pecan pie bars are the answer. They have all the nutty, gooey goodness of traditional pecan pie in an easy-to-eat bar form. The base of these bars is a buttery shortbread crust that's pressed into a baking pan. While the crust is baking, we'll prepare the pecan filling with corn syrup, brown sugar, eggs, butter, and plenty of pecans. Once the crust is lightly golden, we'll pour the pecan filling over the top and bake until the filling is set and bubbly. These bars are perfect for packing in a lunchbox, taking on a picnic, or enjoying as a sweet treat after dinner. These blueberry cheesecake bites are the perfect bite-sized treat, bursting with flavour. Miniature cheesecakes with a creamy filling and a sweet, tangy blueberry compote topping. Start with a base of crushed graham crackers, melted butter, and sugar. Press the mixture into mini muffin tins to create the crust. Prepare the filling with cream cheese, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. Fill the golden crusts with the cheesecake mixture and bake until set. Make the blueberry compote with fresh blueberries, sugar, and lemon juice. Once cool, top with a spoonful of blueberry compote. Perfect for parties, potlucks, or any occasion needing a delicious portable dessert. For the dads who love the classic combination of peanut butter and chocolate, these peanut butter cupcakes are a dream come true. They're moist, fluffy, and packed with peanut butter flavour, and they're topped with a creamy peanut butter frosting and a drizzle of chocolate for the ultimate indulgence. We'll start by preparing the peanut butter cupcake batter with flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, eggs, milk, oil, and plenty of creamy peanut butter. Once the batter is mixed, we'll divide it among cupcake liners and bake until golden brown. While the cupcakes are baking, we'll prepare the peanut butter frosting with butter, peanut butter, powdered sugar, and a touch of milk. Once the cupcakes are completely cool, we'll frost them with the peanut butter frosting. For the finishing touch, we'll drizzle some melted chocolate over the top of the frosted cupcakes. Let's end our dessert extravaganza with a fun and festive treat: cinnamon roll cookies. These cookies are a delightful twist on classic cinnamon rolls, combining the flavours of cinnamon and sugar with the convenience of a cookie. We'll start by preparing the cinnamon roll cookie dough with a soft and buttery dough flavoured with cinnamon and vanilla extract. Once the dough is mixed, we'll roll it out into a rectangle and spread it with a mixture of softened butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Next, we'll roll the dough up tightly and slice it into individual cookies. The cookies are then baked until golden brown and slightly puffed. While the cookies are still warm, we'll drizzle them with a simple icing made from powdered sugar and milk. These cinnamon roll cookies are best enjoyed fresh out of the oven when they're still warm and gooey. And there you have it, 10 delicious and creative pastry dessert ideas that are perfect for treating your dad on any special occasion. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, these recipes are easy to follow and guaranteed to impress your dad. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your apron and get ready to whip up some sweet treats for Dad with these 10 pastry dessert ideas. Happy baking! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and baking inspiration.